I'm Kate and I'm going to tell you today what you need to get started with Cricut vinyl. So here is a roll of Cricut vinyl in white and here is a finished project. I thought I would make pegs like these with every member of my family's name on it so I can put our post and things to do in them. So I'm going to show you what you need to get from this to this. Once you've designed the project on Design Space, you need to attach your piece of vinyl onto a mat like this. And for that job, a brayer is a really indispensable tool. This is a brayer here, it's like a roller, and you roll it over your vinyl just to make sure that it's really firmly attached to the mat and it eliminates any air bubbles. Once your machine has cut out your shape from the vinyl, the first thing that you will need is a pair of scissors. It's really handy just to cut around your shape and make sure that you're making the most of any bits of vinyl that you might have. The next tool that's really helpful is this weeding tool here, and you use that to weed your design or to remove any of the bits that you don't need. Let me show you. You hook it under in a portion of the design that you're not using, and you carefully peel back to leave your design attached on the carrier sheet and remove any of the bits that you don't need. The next step is to attach a piece of transfer tape onto the top of your design, and for that job you will definitely need a scraper tool like this one here. They are indispensable. So I'll peel back the top of my transfer tape like this, pop it on top of my design, and then the first step with the scraper is to turn it over and burnish or rub over the back of your design to make sure that it's firmly attached onto the transfer tape. Then you can peel off the backing of your design so that your vinyl is firmly attached on the transfer tape. Mine is attached really nicely this time. You need to make sure that you pull it back at a 45-degree angle. If you find that any of the parts of your design are still attached to the backing, you might find the scraper handy again, just to help you pull back like this. Next up, I've got my blank, and I'm just going to use a cloth which is lint-free with some rubbing alcohol on it, and I'm going to swipe that over the top of my surface just to make sure that there's no oil or grease or bits of dirt on there. Once the surface is nice and dry, you can take your design, and in order to help you fix it nice and firmly onto your surface, again, you can use your trusty scraper tool. So I'm just going to rub it across like this, lots of times just to make sure that it's firmly adhered. I've peeled the transfer tape off the top of my design and we're done. So there we go, that's all you need to complete a Cricut vinyl project. Thank you so much for watching, and please do watch our other videos for lots more ideas and projects to make with Cricut vinyl. Bye bye!